Welcome back to Sparks and Recreation.
Alright, we got on the road by about 10:30. Everything seems to be going good so far. I did a little exhaust repair with some header wrap on the exhaust manifold. It's been leaking on this thing forever and it's so much quieter. Start new tire. No weird wear yet on this one, but this side is still wearing deeper. I don't know, it's weird. It's weird that the new tire isn't doing that. Anyways, got another 100 in. Gas is 289 here. We went by a place that was 260, but I wasn't able to get off the exit because of the traffic. Another 100 bucks, we'll be in 545, but again, we'll be pretty much filled up by the time we get to, we're only 105 miles out from our destination of Gatlinburg, so hopefully that'll get us there. Next will be Outer Banks after Gatlinburg, and then Outer Banks home, so I'm assuming we'll probably spend at least 1,000 in gas. But we'll see. They're making sandwiches inside to save a little money on lunch today. So I'm gonna go in and do that. Where are we at, guys?
Bennett's BBQ.
Yeah.
It's that one.
Alright, these are smoked hickory wings.
You can't be looking at the same one.
Strong.
Yeah.
Well, those lasted about 30 seconds.
And I'm back to the hunt.
These are delicious. What was yours? Yours is
It's like a something punch.
some kind of punch. Mine's blackberry lemonade moonshine.
Blackberry is my favorite kind of
It is delicious. Alright, so this is a three meat combo.
The chicken, the barbecue
Half chicken. Thank you.
No, barbecue chicken.
Half rack of ribs.
5 meat
The
combo.
Texan.
If you guys
It's got
can,
everything.
if you guys can find the snake on here,
snake?
hit the subscribe button.
Okay, if you find a snake.
On the word search.
Alright, Aunt Elle's drunk.
That tiny drink there is dead.
Alright, what do you guys think of
I think
the food is good? What is your guys' favorite part of food?
drunk Alice.
Brisket. Drunk Alice. That's drunk mom to you.
Yeah. But to them it's Alice.
That's Mrs. Drunk Mom to you.
Yep.
Thank you, Edward. Didn't actually record. Alright, Bennett's BBQ. Thank you.
Is that your last moonshine, Mom?
Oh, there's a gang of boomers. They have so many Corvettes and New Balance. We're inside Laserport, which is an alien-themed arcade and miniature golf and go-karts. Who's gonna win this? You are?
He's probably gonna win because he has lighter weight. And
Lightest weight?
I always win.
Yeah, he's gonna win. Are you gonna win, Maggie? These are alien go-karts.
Oh, wait, you should tell Mom to go up there. Tell her to go there.
I don't think she can. But that's for the employees. Make Carolyn be proud. She's actually doing really good. Good job, Trey. Oh, you're doing Connect 4? Oh! This KOA has a lazy river, pool, and spa. It's a waterfall, it's hard to tell with the lighting. Bathhouse, But what's really cool too is since they know that's a lazy river and people are going to use it, they have air. So if you buy something, you can fill it up. Hi Alice or Mom, whoever's watching this. Where's the kids? This thing's actually pretty long. It's about 3.5, 4 foot deep. And there's like, I think 4 jet pumps I counted. It moves pretty quick. I don't know where our kids are. Oh, there they are. Here they come. Here they come.
Oh, hi, Dad.
We gotta bring more boogie boards. Where did you put the other boogie board?
I don't know. Where did
I put it back near Art.
Oh, you guys could have used it.
Yeah, no.
Alright, don't drown each other. Back at our home camp for the night. So when we booked a 60-foot pull through. Somehow they had us in as 2 adults and a dog, and this is a outside dog pen that goes with our premium campsite. It has a patio, a grill, this little thing, and a fire ring.
I like Smarty Lollipops.
Leftovers looking
Ooh, do you want
baller.
to see, Dad?
And
Smarty
oh, what'd you get?
When we were at the arcade, I got a Smarty Lollipop for $200.
That's pretty good. 2 of them? Alice had us grab this at Good, well, no, not Good Sam's. What is it called? Camping World. So it mounts to the ladder rack. And instead of having all the towels through the camper.
You can also hang your clothes on hangers and put them through there.
Yeah, oh, that's
It'll
true.
hold quite a bit of weight.
Look how many places we've been.
That's not all the stickers. We don't have them
Yeah,
all.
no, there's a bunch we haven't put up yet. Good times. I love this RV. Even though she breaks down, I love her. And Alice, did somebody buy this for us? Or did you order it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Coda and Trey and TT and Nick bought it for us.
Thank you, TT, Nick, Coda, and Trey. Alright. Yeah, I'll have to get a video in the morning. Yeah, they kind of screwed up and we had to unhook the car, pull the dolly out, roll it down the walkway to this, then back in, then rehook the dolly up so when we go to leave we can actually do what we're supposed to do. And they're saying that I booked it that way, but there's no way.
And it says that
I booked every other place on this trip the right way, and
apparently 2 of us are pets because they were going 4 people instead of 6.
yeah.
Where'd the other 2 go?
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.